see if this caffeine eye serum actually works. This contains caffeine solution, and we're gonna put this right under the eyes to see what the deal is. I'm gonna do one eye first, and then we'll compare and contrast. This is so interesting. Very fancy, very fancy. Took off the lid, squeezing the bottom, do this eye. It is cold, which is nice. Let that sink in. Look how dark this under eye portion is. Then it's not that dark down here, like it's brightening up. Does it look brighter to you guys? Let's do the other eye because we have to make them equal. Let's see if it makes a difference on this eye. I definitely think it helped to brighten up my eyes. I think my eyes look more awake now than they did before, which we love. I love this because it has an exclusive complex that's formulated with 11 ingredients combining the energy of earth and oceans to protect our skin from environmental stressors and aging. We love to stay young and youthful. I get compliments all the time of how young and youthful I'm looking. We're staying young and youthful with this little product here from the Village Factory. Now that my eyes are nice and awakened, let's get the day started.